Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub to generate a download link for your APK to use with SideQuest. So go to github.com. If you don't have an account, you'll have to create one. It's an easy process. It's free. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Go to the plus sign at the top right and click on New Repository. Give it a name. This is where we're going to be hosting our releases or our builds. So maybe something like test project builds is fine. No description. It has to be public. Click on add a README file and click on create repository. Now on the right side, click on create a new release. You have to give it a version and a title. I like to use semantic versioning, but you can name it whatever you like. There we go. We don't need a description. Where it says attach binaries by dropping them here or selecting them, you can either click on this to open File Explorer or just drag in an APK. You don't need to change the title as long as it has a .apk extension. And then click Publish Release. That will bring you here. And now this link right here is the download link for your APK that you can use in SideQuest. So right-click this and copy link address. Go to SideQuest. Click Add on the download URLs and paste in your download link right here. Make sure link type is set to APK. Click Add, and then scroll up and click on Save Changes, and you will be good to go.